guys, the finale. The assembly of Titan Speakerman. First of all, legs on body. Check. Check. Next, arms. Check. Check. Now, finally, the head on body. Check. Boom. Titan Speakerman. What? Oh crap. Sorry guys. He just fell. Titan Speakerman is a success, baby. Oh wait, that's not it. We need something else. Screw all that to the side. Okay guys, I will cut back to the video when I'm all done laying all the pieces out. Wait guys, I just realized something. There. We have a chair. That's the reason why we did that. So, there. Boom. And let me guess, you're wondering why there's a chair? Let me cut to the part where I'll show you. Okay guys, back to the cut video. Now, I have all the pieces. Minifig legs. A body. Some tan hands. A block with 2 studs on the sides. This part, this piece, we're going down with the stud on, but we put it on the side. Now, we do that. Put a flat square stud on the side. Put this on. Now, for the final piece. It is Speakerman. But let me guess, you're wondering, why did you build Speakerman? For this. Okay guys, so this is the first time I'm actually picking up the camera, so move this, move everything. The Halloween candy, yep, my Halloween candy. I'll just cut to when it's ready. Okay, 1 sec. We will find you acting on your best behavior. Turn your back on Mother Nature. Everybody wants to rule the world. Bye guys, thank you for watching all these episodes. Tell me if you like them down in the comments below. Okay? Next I'll show you the progress of Titan Cameraman. Bye!